The ARES Wing dual monitor stand handles very large ultrawide and curved displays with confidence, making it a strong choice for heavy and unconventional setups. Its gas spring arms offer generous height, tilt, swivel, and rotation adjustment so you can stack screens vertically or fine-tune ergonomics for long work or gaming sessions. The industrial-grade gas springs feel smooth and controlled, and the stand has been endurance tested to stay stable even when the arms are fully extended. Built-in USB Type-C and USB Type-A ports on the base add genuinely useful charging for phones, tablets, and other accessories without reaching for the computer case or wall adapter. Installation is straightforward thanks to the choice of clamp or grommet mounting, quick-release VESA plates, and clear visual instructions that minimize time spent fiddling under the desk. Ongoing support from the manufacturer, including help with setup and replacement parts, adds peace of mind for a relatively complex piece of desk hardware.